Hello art people! In this video we are going to make Etta V inspired heart paintings. The first thing we do is always the same. We pick up our pencil and we write our name in the bottom right corner and our class, which is our grade, and the first letter of our teacher's last name. Your paper for this does not need to be landscape, it could be portrait. I like to fold my paper in half and crease it just in the middle sections whenever I'm doing something symmetrical like a heart. But you don't have to do a heart. You could draw a star or any sort of simple shape will do. I just start in the middle, go out, around, and back down to the bottom. And I try my best to make it symmetrical on both sides, but usually it takes me a few tries to get the symmetry just right. Then I'm going to squeeze out just 3 different colors of paint. You can do any colors you want, but I'm just going to start with 3 and then paint with those, and then I can add more colors to my paint palette later. But I don't want to spend a lot of art class getting out all of these different colors of paint only to use just a few. So just get out 1, 2, or 3 colors at a time, and I'm just squeezing it onto some scrap paper that I can throw away at the end. I'm just going to start with my blue and paint some brush strokes going along the heart shape that I have. Then I'm going to be painting some brush strokes on the inside as well, but I'm painting these brush strokes in a manner of which I would just draw another heart on the inside of this heart. So my brush strokes are going in the same direction of that outside outline of my heart. So I'm not just doing like random lines going left to right or up and down or diagonal. The brush strokes are going like in the same direction that a heart on the inside of this heart would go. Then I'm just switching my colors, and I'm doing this method over and over again until I have the whole heart filled in. Okay, so the next step is to add little shiny details on top of your painting. So you can wait until your artwork is dry, and you can put some glue dots down, like just some liquid glue dots, and you can put little pieces of foil on your art to make it shiny. I alternatively am just going to do this while it's wet. The paint acts as a bit of an adhesive, so it helps the shiny stay on it without having to use glue. Another reason I don't have to use glue is I actually have these large silver sheets of stickers. And so I'm just going to use those and cut little circles out of that, take the backing out, and put them on my heart. So the adhesive on the back plus the fact that my art is still paint, both of those factors are going to come in handy because it will help my shiny details stick. And with that, my artwork is done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!